On the day one, our topic to this awesome journey is to introduce yourself. Hello, everyone. Welcome to day one of the 30 Days Speaking Challenge. Today, you are going to learn how to introduce yourself in English. Don't worry about difficult grammar. Don't translate every sentence. Just listen, repeat, and speak. Let's begin. Listen and speak. Hello, my name is Emma. I am from America. I am an English teacher, and I love teaching English. Let me tell you a little about myself. I am a friendly and hardworking person. I enjoy learning new things, especially English. I also enjoy reading books, making videos, and helping students improve their English. In my free time, I like spending time with my family. I also like watching educational videos and learning new skills. I believe that learning English can open many new opportunities. That's why I practice English every day. Here, I give the opportunity to introduce yourself. Okay, it's your turn. Don't just listen. Speak with me. Say, hello, my name is... I am from... I am a student, teacher, businessman, employee. I enjoy... In my free time, I like... I am learning English because... Excellent! Now challenge yourself. Now close your book or put your phone down for real-life practice. You have just 30 seconds to introduce yourself in English without reading and listening. Remember. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Don't stop speaking. Just listen and speak. This is day one of your 30 Days Speaking Challenge. See you in day two.